In front of me is OnePlus Nord CE 5 and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to click on Apps. Then click on App Cloner over here. Choose Agree and Continue if you never used App Cloner before. And tap on one of your recommended apps here, or select other apps and click on one of those. Wherever you decided after picking it, use gray switcher next to Create App Clone to clone it. Then hit Rename App Clone and type in whatever you want to. Hit Save. Choose Default App to open and tap on one of those options. Always ask Original App or App Clone. Wherever you decided, when you're ready, just go back. So when I check, as you can see, my app was successfully cloned. To delete this clone, go back to the same settings and tap on Now blue switcher next to Create App Clone. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up to remove it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!